Hello students and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to study about the trigonometry part 4. See, we have already discussed part 1, part 2, part 3. That means in part 1 we have discussed trigonometric ratios. In part 2 we have discussed trigonometric ratios of specific angles. And in part 3 we have discussed trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Now in this video, we are going to discuss certain trigonometric identities and how that trigonometric identities we have to apply, we'll learn that thing. So we'll learn about what are trigonometric identities. So there are basically three trigonometric identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. The next identity is 1 plus tan square theta equals sec square theta, and the last one is 1 plus cot square theta equal cosec square theta. These three identities are very important, and whenever we have to prove the trigonometric parts, we have to apply these identities. With the help of these identities, we'll prove it. And remember, these identities are always applied in square form. There are certain formulas which we have discussed in part 1, but I'll repeat it again because it will be helpful in this video also. So we have discussed sin theta by cos theta equals what? Tan theta. We have discussed cos theta by sin theta equals cot theta, and certain reciprocals also we have discussed, like cosec theta को हम लिख सकते हैं 1 by sin theta. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta and cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So these are basically these three are trigonometric identities, and these are the reciprocals and formulas which are used in trigonometry. And now we'll be solving the question that are the proving part with the help of these formulas only. So the question is cos की power 4a minus sin की power 4a equals 2 cos square a minus 1. Now see, in this question it comes prove that. We have to prove it. This LHS part is equals to what? RHS part. Now here it is what? 2 cos square. Square है ना? That means we have to use the trigonometric identities which we have seen now. So we'll use it. So हम इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? Cos square a का स्क्वायर माइनस साइन स्क्वायर ए का स्क्वायर. a square minus b square की will put identity over here. a minus b, a plus b. Now we know कि cos square theta plus sin square theta. See, अगर cos square theta का हो cos sin square theta, ये cos square a और sin square it is one and the same thing. Now we have seen before only कि cos square theta plus sin square theta is what? 1. So we'll write 1 in place of this and we'll get cos square a minus sin square a into 1. Thus it will be what? Cos square a minus sin square a. But हमारे क्वेश्चन में we only want cos, we don't want sin. तो इसी आइडेंटिटी में हम sin को will shift cos to that side. Thus हमको sin square a की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी and it will be 1 minus cos square a. So here we'll put the value of sin square a, that is 1 minus cos square a. Now bracket को open करेंगे, cos square a minus 1 plus cos square a. Thus 2 cos square a minus 1. Proved. So this is how we have to use identities and we have to prove it. Now अब देखिए यहाँ पर क्या करें. सिंपल है, ये a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर लगी रहा है तो विल अप्लाई दैट फॉर्मूला. तो 1 प्लस कॉट स्क्वायर ए प्लस 2 कॉट ए. सिमिलरली यहाँ पर भी 1 प्लस कॉट स्क्वायर ए माइनस 2 कॉट ए, बिकॉज यहाँ पर a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर 1 प्लस कॉट ए होल स्क्वायर 1 माइनस कॉट ए होल स्क्वायर इक्वल 2 कॉसेक स्क्वायर ए. तो वी हैव पुट आइडेंटिटी ऑफ a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर. So 1 and 1 it will be 2. ये 2 cot a and 2 minus 2 cot a cancel. 2 प्लस 2 कॉट स्क्वायर ए, 2 कॉमन ले लेंगे, 1 प्लस कॉट स्क्वायर ए एंड वी हैव रेड, अभी अभी हमने आइडेंटिटी देखी, 1 प्लस कॉट स्क्वायर ए इज व्हाट, cosec स्क्वायर ए, तो इसकी जगह इन प्लेस ऑफ दिस वी कैन राइट व्हाट 2 cosec स्क्वायर ए, hence proved. Now we'll see next type of questions. So now the question is sin a upon 1 plus cos a plus 1 plus cos a upon sin a equal 2 cosec a. We will take LCM over here, 1 plus cos a into sin a. अब 1 plus cos a है, sin a into sin a, it will become what, sin square a plus ये sin a is already there, तो it will become what, 1 plus cos a का होल स्क्वायर. अब हम यहाँ पे आइडेंटिटी पुट करेंगे, a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर, तो 1 प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर ए प्लस 2 कॉस ए अपॉन 1 प्लस कॉस ए इंटू साइन ए. अब देखिए साइन स्क्वायर ए प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर ए, इन प्लेस ऑफ दिस वी कैन राइट व्हाट 1, तो ये 1 ऑलरेडी है एंड साइन स्क्वायर ए प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर की जगह 1 लिखा, 2 कॉस ए अपॉन 1 प्लस कॉस ए इंटू साइन ए, तो दिस विल बिकम 1 प्लस 1 2, thus we'll get 2 plus 2 cos a by 1 plus cos a into sin a. 2 कॉमन ले लेंगे, we'll get 1 plus cos a, 1 plus cos a, ये कैंसिल and thus we have seen कि 1 by sin क्या होता है, it is cosec, तो 2 by sin a it will become 2 cosec a, hence proved. So only thing what we have to do is we have to learn formulas, we have to learn these identities, nothing else than that. Sin square a plus cos square a 1, 1 by sin a is cosec a. Now the question is cot a plus tan b upon cot b plus tan a equals cot a into tan b. तो cot a को what can we write, cos a by sin a, tan b sin b upon cos b, ये formula we have read. Similarly cot b cos b by sin b, tan a sin a by cos a. Now what we'll do, we'll take LCM over here in both the sides. So we'll take LCM, sin a cos b, here we'll get cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Similarly denominator part में भी we'll take LCM, sin b cos a, so we'll get cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. अब देखिए दिस पार्ट एंड दिस पार्ट इज सेम, तो इट विल बी कैंसल्ड आउट, ये ऊपर आ जाएगा, तो इट विल बिकम व्हाट, साइन बी कॉस ए बाय साइन ए कॉस बी. अब कॉस अपॉन साइन इज कॉट, सो विल राइट कॉट ए, साइन अपॉन कॉस इज टैन, so we'll write tan b. See, I'll write identity over here, cos a by sin a it will be cot a and sin b by cos b it is tan b. So this is how we have solved this question. We'll see more examples of this type only. So the next question is square root of 1 minus sin a upon 1 plus sin a equals sec a minus tan a. तो अब हम इसमें क्या करेंगे, स्क्वायर रूट से हटाने के लिए विल फर्स्ट रैशनलाइज इट इनसाइड स्क्वायर रूट ओनली, रैशनलाइज करेंगे तो इट इज़ 1 प्लस साइन ए, तो विल मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय 1 माइनस साइन ए. जैसे ही मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो विल गेट 1 माइनस साइन ए स्क्वायर upon a plus b, a minus b identity, 1 minus sine square a. Thus, we will get square root of 1 minus sine a whole square upon 1 minus sine square a. देखिए sine square a plus cos square a is what? 1. Now अगर हम साइन को उधर शिफ्ट कर देते हैं तो 1 minus sine square a, I'll get what? Cos square a. So it will be cos square a. Thus we can write 1 minus sine a by cos a whole square. अब ये whole square स्क्वायर रूट के बाहर आ जाएगा. 1 minus sine a upon cos a. Thus it will become what? 1 by cos a minus sine a by cos a. So 1 by cos a will be sec a, sine by cos will be tan a. Hence proved. Now we'll see one more question. So now the question is tan a plus sec a minus 1. Tan a minus sec a plus 1. tan sec and 1 है तो हम यहाँ पर tan sec का रिलेशन 1 के साथ लिखेंगे. It is 1 plus tan square a is what? Sec square a. Thus we can write sec square a minus tan square a is what? 1. तो in place of 1 दोनों जगह we'll write what? The sec square a minus tan square a. तो tan a plus sec a minus sec square a minus tan square a. Similarly, now no need to write in denominator part. Will not write the value of 1 in denominator part क्योंकि देखिए ये हमको थोड़ा assume करना पड़ता है. If I'll break this, तो a square minus b square की when I'll put identity it is a minus b a plus b. तो when I'll take common tan a plus sec a मुझे common मिलेगा तो numerator and denominator part becomes equal and वो cancel हो जाएंगे. इसलिए हम नीचे वाले 1 में value नहीं put करते. This question comes in one more variety in which tan की जगह cot रहता है and sec की जगह cosec रहता है. So in that question also we have to do this only. And this question comes in one more form, sine, here sine and here cos and here 1. तो what we have to do at that time, उस sin and cos को हमको change करना होता है tan and sec में या cosec and cot में, depending upon the question what has been asked. Now I'll break this. Tan a plus sec a minus sec a minus tan a into sec a plus tan a. Denominator part को as it is I'll write. Now this part can be taken common. So tan a plus sec a common लिया, 1 minus sec a minus minus plus tan a. देखिए न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर कैंसिल हुआ. This question which I have discussed, 4 type of question comes here. So I have discussed one variety of that and I have told which 4 varieties come. Tan की जगह कभी cot आता है, tan की जगह sin आता है. Similar, we have to change that form in this. We have to bring, if sin रहेगा तो we have to bring it in what? Tan form. If it is cos, so we have to bring it in cot form. And cot form का equation आता है. तो I have solved one question of here of this type and 3 more types you can solve. So here we have got what? Tan a plus sec a. Tan a को I can write sin a by cos a and sec a 1 by cos a. Thus I have got sin a plus 1 by cos a. Proved. So this is all about the chapter that is trigonometric identities, in which I have solved certain questions related to trigonometric identities only. And so we have completed our trigonometry chapter, in which we have discussed all the concepts which are related to this chapter. Hope you guys find my videos helpful to you. So please do share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.